Hey guys, this is John with Purpose Driven. We're gonna be doing an oil change on this 2012 Toyota Yaris. Stay tuned. We're gonna do this oil change. First thing I want to tell you guys is what you guys would need, and it's gonna be, of course, the oil filter, the filter cap wrench, a 14 for the drain plug. All right, guys, so we're under the car. Right here is the drain plug. Right here. The oil filter is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It might be too dark. But here's the filter. It's still kind of hot. We're gonna take out the drain plug first. Best thing to do is lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's always the rule. And as you can see, I already loosened it up. So now you're just gonna take it out. Be careful because the oil is still hot. There you go. So there's the oil coming out. Now just wait for that to come out. And here's the drain plug. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're just gonna wash this, clean it up. Should be all set. All right, guys. So the new oil filter is in. We just hand tighten it. We don't do anything else. Should be fine. So here's my boy JP putting in 4 quarts of oil. And again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and give us any comments, any feedbacks.